For joining me here at Genesis 11. My name is Mike Roberts, financial analyst, and today we're going to speak about Bitcoin and Ethereum, the most recent uptrend in the crypto market is very attractive to a lot of traders and investors. And the idea with this session today is to show you guys how to diversify, because I know a lot of people are investing in Bitcoin, but there is another cryptocurrency which is very attractive for traders and investors, the number 2 crypto called Ethereum. And there are advantages, many advantages to diversify the trading portfolio. And on the Genesis 11 platform, you can do exactly that. So I'm going to show you guys on the platform itself and on this PowerPoint presentation. So grab a piece of paper and here we begin. So first of all, during the first weekend of 2021, Bitcoin reached a new record high of $35,000 per coin, per digital coin. The market value of Bitcoin is now around $576 billion. Now that might sound a lot to you guys, but if Bitcoin was a company, it still wouldn't be the biggest company in the world. There are companies that are much bigger than Bitcoin, for example, Facebook and Amazon and Apple. So the potential of Bitcoin going up is, of course, still there. So the demand for the digital currency is rising as more institutions invest. And these institutions include pension funds and big investment funds. So a lot of big investors are entering the market and pushing the market higher. Now, as Bitcoin reaches new record highs almost every single week, there are other cryptocurrencies that are also rising, and believe it or not, they're rising even more than Bitcoin. Now, I'm not talking about cryptos that no one heard about. I'm talking about the second biggest crypto in the market today, which is, of course, Ethereum. Ethereum, people that invested in Ethereum since the beginning of the year, percentage-wise made even more than Bitcoin, believe it or not. And that is why it's very important to diversify. Diversify your trading package. Don't put all the eggs in one basket. And that's how you can enjoy uptrends in other areas of the crypto space. So the main advantage of Ethereum, which is ETH, is that it's still trading below its 2018 record high. As opposed to Bitcoin, which is trending way above the record high from 2018, ETH is not. So let's take a look at the Genesis 11 platform and see what's going on. So after you logged into your platform, we got so many different assets on the platform. It's amazing, the diversification. On the search field on the left side of the screen, you click a BTC, and then you get the BTC chart. You click here on chart, and I'm going to open a full screen chart here so you can see BTC versus the dollar trading right now very nicely at 31,600. But if I go to a long-term chart, you can see here that Bitcoin is trading well above the record high from 2018. You know, it's wonderful that you can do all this on the Genesis 11 platform. You don't need to go anywhere else. I'll put a star next to the previous high, which was here, right? And another kind of star on the current record high, which is over here. So you see the left star is well below the right star. And we are trading on new record highs with Bitcoin. But a lot of people made a lot of money with Bitcoin, but you can make good money, you can make great money, and one of the ways is to diversify your crypto trading package with other cryptos. And I'm talking about crypto number 2, ETH. You're going to write down here ETH. Of course, we got it on the platform, on a Genesis 11 platform. I'm going to click on chart, and I'm going to enlarge this chart here. And now, sorry for that. Let me go right here. And we'll go to ETH. There we go. And this is Ethereum, which is the second biggest crypto out there. I'm going to go to a monthly chart, long-term chart. And you're going to see the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if I look here, Again, I'll put a star on the previous record high, which is actually the current record high from 2018 over here. And we are below that record high over here. So actually, the potential on ETH is much bigger right now, maybe even bigger than Bitcoin, because we're still trading below the record high. Just to reach the record high, ETH is going to have to go another 40, 50, 60%. And you know what happened to Bitcoin after it crossed $20,000? Massive jump upwards. These record highs, when they break, new investments pour in, and that makes everything much more attractive. So contact the account managers here at Genesis 11. I'll see you next week with more market information. Bye-bye, everybody.